For today's side kicks, we'll start with your back lined up along the back edge of your mat and your feet forward in front of you. And we'll lift your top leg up about hip height, bend your knee, take hold of your shin and squeeze that leg in close. Just give yourself a little squish here. And then without arching your back, press your thigh backward, press your knee and shin back and pushing your ankle into your hand to give yourself a stretch through the front of your leg. We'll do that again. Squeeze your leg in close, squish. And same thing, pressing the thigh back, opening up the front of that hip and stretching your quads a little bit. And then we'll stack that leg on top of your bottom leg. Lift your top leg to hip height parallel, and we'll flex front, point, back, and front, flex, point, back. Couple more like that. Pressing your bottom leg actively into the mat as much as you can while you move your top leg. Using that bottom leg really actively will help you to stay stable and use the right muscles. Last one front, last one back. And we'll stack your leg and turn it out. Point to kick it up, flex to squeeze down. And point and squeeze it down, flexing. Point up, squeeze down, 2 more. And last one. And then we'll reverse, flex it up and point it down. Bottom leg is still actively pushing into the mat. That'll help you strengthen your outer hip on the bottom leg as well as both inner thighs. Last one, flex up and point down. 2 développés. We'll bend, draw it in, reach it up, flex, and bend, externally rotating so that knee is over the bottom leg, and we'll reverse flex, bend, and reach out through the heel, flex it up. Bend, so at this point your knee goes toward the back of your shoulder, toes touch, and we reach out. We'll stay down, squeeze your inner thighs together, lift, and lower, and lift, and lower. 2 more. On our last one, we'll stay up, keep breathing, relax your neck and shoulders, and squeeze your legs together, hold them up longer, and longer, and longer. And then we'll flip around and do that same sequence on the other side. So you'll lift your top leg up to hip height, bend your knee, squeeze it in and just give yourself a squish here. And then you'll press your shin back and your thigh presses back a little. We'll press your shin and ankle into your hand to give yourself a stretch through your quads. 1 more of those. Squish in close, pull your thigh back, push your foot or your ankle into your hand. And then we'll stack that leg on top of your bottom leg. We'll press the bottom leg to the mat, lift the top leg to hip height, and flex in the front, point, back. Flex and pulse, point and pulse. A few more here, flex and point. Bottom leg is still trying to press into the mat. Not always easy. And we're trying to keep our spines nice and light and long. Last one, flex front and point back. Stack your leg and turn it out. And you'll point to kick it up, flex to squeeze it down. Point up, squeeze down, pressing your bottom leg to the mat the whole time. Last one this way, and we'll reverse. Flex it up, point it down, and flex. Reach. As you point down, reach through your toes and kind of pull that leg away. Last one, we'll stay down. Keep it externally rotated so your knee goes toward the back of your shoulder as you bend your knee. And reach up, flex your foot. And bend, draw it in. Reach it up, flex it down, reverse. Flex it up, bend, slide your foot along your bottom leg and reach through that heel. Last one this way. and turn parallel. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Squeeze those two legs together like they're one. And then we'll hold them up. Keep breathing, hold them higher if you can. And higher, make sure you're not holding them up with your back. Using your hips, your inner thighs, and your abs. And then we'll lower down. So that's just a nice, quick, classical side kick workout for today. I hope you're joining every day of our 15-day side kick challenge. There are lots of videos available on our YouTube channel, so like, follow, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And please join us again.